Give me. Oh no.
He's okay. He's not gonna go anywhere.
You can run away, don't you?
Come on, Henry.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, come on.
Come on. Henry, who is that?
You never let him run away.
Henry, who is that?
Muppet.
Henry.
Fuzzy Muppet.
Who is it?
Come here, Ducky.
Henry, who is it?
Oh.
Henry, is it Uncle Chuck? Oh, is it Uncle Chuck?
Puppy.
Oh, you love Uncle Chuck. Hi, Uncle Chuck.
Oh. You smell some disgusting shoes?
Yeah. I like stinky things.
Stinky shoes. I like stinky shoes.
Oh, I love them.
Oh, I'm a stinky boy.
Oh, Henry. Henry, it's Uncle Chuck.
What's happening?
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
It's Uncle Chuck.
Jump around.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. Yeah, you're a good boy. Here, you gonna yodel for me?
No bites. No bites. No bites. No bites. No bites. It's Granddad. No.
Woo!
Woo!
Come on, Henry.
Woo!
Woo! Oh, Uncle Chuck.
Puppy.
I love you.
He's a good boy. Whoa.
Henry, we had that talk. Good touch, bad touch.
Bad touch. We're a northern family. We're not southern relatives. No.
Oh, I love shoes.
Fuzzy, oh, these shoes particularly. Oh yeah, what do you screw on there? That cat? Little foot juice? Naked dog.
I got shaved for my ultrasound.
Oh.
Look at that tail. Uncle Chuck. Uncle Chuck.
Puppy.
Oh, I love you. Henry, you want me to put the camera down now?
Yes.
Huh?
Put it down.
Pretty normal, isn't it? I always do this. Henry, you got a woo-woo. I'm sorry.